Hi friends, this session is regarding how to connect Tableau to Snowflake database. Open your Tableau desktop tool. Then here you can find all the connectors to a database. For example, when you click on Move, here you can find all the different connectors. When you want to connect to a Snowflake, this is a connector we can use. Click on Snowflake. But first we have to make sure that Snowflake ODBC driver is installed in our system. So we can download it from Snowflake. You can log into Snowflake URL. Then here you can find a help option. Click on help. Then here you can find downloads. Click on download and here you can find ODBC driver. Then download your Snowflake repository. And here you can see different operating systems, Mac, Windows, Linux. So mine is a Windows system. You can go for Windows. Click on the latest and download this one. Once it is downloaded, then we can install it. Open the downloaded, then click on next. Here you can find the place where exactly I'm installing my Snowflake ODBC driver. This is the path. Click on next, click on install. It will take a couple of minutes for installing. Let us wait. If you don't have Snowflake, then you can get a trial version for 30 days. You can log into Snowflake URL and you can create a trial version. You can provide your email address, etc. Then you will get 30 days trial version. You can use that for downloading Snowflake repository. Yes, click on yes, which is installing. Click on finish once the installation is done. Then go here, close this. Now click on Snowflake. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me check whether the Snowflake installation is completed. Control panel. Uninstall a program. Installed on. Yeah, it is installed successfully. Okay, no problem. You can close and reopen the desktop tool one more time. It's open. So here, go to more. Click on more. Then select Snowflake. See, now it's asking our server and sign in using username password. Please select sign in using username password. Okay, the authentication, please change the authentication as username password. And this is my server is nothing but when you create your Snowflake account, you will get one URL for everyone. In that URL you can find this letters. This is the one, computing.com, till computing.com. This is our server now, Snowflake account name it is. So this one you can copy from URL. Whenever you are creating your trial version or whatever the Snowflake account you have, that may be trial or licensed one, in every URL you can find some name.snowflakecomputing.com. This you can copy and you can provide in server place. And role, it is an optional. If you have a role specific, that is for security purpose. Okay, it's an optional, but this we will use whenever we needed a security. And username, my Snowflake username is this one, so you can provide your username and provide the password. Click on sign. Once the sign is completed, okay, then here you can find a warehouse. Okay, you have to select which warehouse it is. For example, in my Snowflake, I have two warehouses. One is for reporting, one is for compute. Compute is the one which you will get by default when you created account. Okay, so I have created BA reporting warehouse for reporting perspective. So select the warehouse, whatever you have. Then select the database where exactly your tables are present. Okay, in Snowflake we can create multiple databases. Inside that we can have multiple schema, so where exactly your database is present. For example, this is the default schema which you get. Okay, this is the default database which you get. Okay, if you have, if you want which database, you can select that. For example, right now I'm selecting a sample one which we will get by default. Okay, so when you select the database, then it will ask us for select the schema. You have to select which schema if you want to connect. Then you can select the schema. For example, I want to connect to this SF100. Then you can see the list of the tables present under that schema. You can pull those tables. I hope this is clear.